Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss comparison of surds. So how we compare numbers which are in the form of surds, like here you can see it is fourth root of 6, another number is square root of 2 and third number is cube root of 4. So how we can compare this? Before starting the discussion I want to tell you that for the benefit of our students I have started a website called education-adda.com. Okay, so here you can get previous year question papers, all topic videos. Okay, topic wise videos will be there, important questions, important notes will be there, and test series will also be available. Link of this website is given in the description box of the video. And to take the advantage of this website, what you have to do, you visit education-adda.com, then you go to menu and then select competition adda tab. Okay, there you will get all the resources. So coming to the topic, so we have to compare these three numbers. So just by seeing we can't tell which one is greatest and which one is smallest. Okay, so I will start from the basic. Suppose there are three numbers, 5, 7 and 9. Can you tell which one is greatest and which one is smallest? Okay, so obvious is 9 is greater than 7 and 5 is the smallest among all these three numbers. Okay. Now we take the square root of each number. Square root of 5, square root of 7, then square root of 9. Now can you tell me which one is greatest and which one is smallest? Obviously square root of 9 will be greatest and square root of 5 will be smallest. Similarly, if I take the cube root of 5, then cube root of 7 and cube root of 9. So which one is greatest and which one is smallest? So here also this is cube root of 9. So cube root of 9 is greatest and cube root of 5 is the smallest. Okay. So here we can notice if the order of the third is same, then just by comparing the number, okay, just by comparing these numbers 5, 7 and 9, we can tell which one is greatest and which one is the smallest. Okay, but what is given in the problem here, orders are different for all the thirds. Okay, so you will be asked somewhat difficult questions, not like this that order is given same, then you will be asked which one is greatest and which one is the smallest. So we will consider an example. Suppose we take three numbers, 3 thirds, square root of 5, next one is cube root of 7, and third one is fourth root of 9. Here you can see order of all the thirds are different. So in this case, how we can compare? So what we have to do, we have to make the order of all the thirds same, then only we can compare. Okay. So in this type of problems, what we do, we write the order. See, order of this third is 2, order of this third is 3, and order of this third is 4. So we take LCM of orders of all the thirds. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Okay, it will be 12. So we can write all the thirds in the form of a third having order 12. So square root of 5, it will be 5 to the power 1 by 2. Okay, and this can be written as, we have to make order as 12. So what we do, we will multiply by 6 and divide by 6. So it will be 12th root of 5 to the power 6. Okay, and 5 to the power 6 is 12th root of 15625. Okay, similarly we can write cube root of 7. Okay, so cube root of 7, it will be 7 to the power 1 by 3, and we have to make the order of the third as 12. So it can be written as 1 by 3 into 4 by 4. So we will multiply by 4 and divide by 4, that is we are multiplying with 1 only. So it will be 12th root of 7 to the power 4, and it is 12th root of 2401. Similarly, third can be written as fourth root of 9, and it is 9 to the power 1 by 4. So we need to make the order of the third as 12. So we will multiply and divide by 3. 3 by 3. So it will be 9 to the power 3 and order will be 12. Okay. So it is nothing but 12th root of 7, 29. Now just by seeing all these three numbers, we can tell which one is largest and which one is smallest. Obvious is 12th root of 15625 is largest, then 12th root of 2401, and the smallest one is 12th root of 729. Okay, therefore this number is what? Square root of 5. So square of root of 5 is the largest, then 2401 means cube root of 7. So cube root of 7, and the smallest one will be fourth root of 9. Okay, so in this way we can easily tell which one is smallest and which one is largest. So we will see this problem what is given in the starting. So we have to find the largest among fourth root of 6, square root of 2, and cube root of 4. So here given surds are of the order 4, 2, and 3 respectively. So as orders are different, so we have to make the orders same. So we will calculate LCM of the orders of all the surds. Okay. So LCM of 4, 2, and 3 is 12. Now we will change each surd of the order 12. Changing each surd each surd to a surd of order 12, so that we can easily compare order 12. What we will get? Fourth root of 6. First number is fourth root of 6. So this is 6 to the power 1 by 4, but we need 12 at place of 4. So it will be 1 by 4. Then we need to multiply and divide by 3. So it will be 12th root of 12th root of 6 to the power 3. Okay, and it is 12th root of 216. Next number is square root of 2. So square root of 2, this can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2, and this is 2 to the power 1 by 2. So we need to multiply and divide by 6, and this will be 12th root of 2 to the power 6. So it will be 12th root of 64. And the last number is cube root of 4. So this we can write as 4 to the power 1 by 3, and at place of 3 we need 12. So we need to multiply and divide by 4. So it will be 12th root of 4 to the power 4, and it will be 12th root of 256. Now all the numbers are in the form of surd having order 12. So we can easily compare the numbers. Okay. So clearly 12th root of 256 is greater than 12th root of 216, and this is greater than 12th root of 64. Therefore, what is 12th root of 256? It is cube root of 4. So we can write cube root of 4. This one is greatest. Then fourth root of 6, and the smallest one is square root of 2. So we have to find the largest. Okay. Therefore, largest is cube root of 4. This one will be the answer. We will see one more problem. So here we have to find greatest among square root of 2, sixth root of 3, cube root of 4, and fourth root of 5. Here we have 4 numbers, And if we see, square root of 2 has order 2, 6 root of 3 has order 6, it has order 3, and this fourth number has order 4. So we can calculate the LCM of 2, 6, 3 and 4. Okay, so LCM will be 12. Now we will convert all the surds into a surd which have order 12. So it can be written as square root of 2 equal to 2 to the power 1 by 2, and this can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 6 by 6. So it will be 12th root of 2 to the power 6, that is 12th root of 64. Next number is 6th root of 3, and it can be written as 3 to the power 1 by 6, but we need order 12, so we have to multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so it is 1 by 6, this is your 6 into 2 divided by 2, so it will be 12th root of 3 to the power 2, that is 12th root of 9. Next number is cube root of 4, and it can be written as 4 to the power 1 by 3, and this one will be 4 to the power 1 by 3. We need to multiply and divide by 4, so it will be 12th root of 4 to the power 4, and this will be 12th root of 256. Okay, and last number is 4th root of 5, so this can be written as 5 to the power 1 by 4, so we need to multiply and divide the power by 3 and divide by 3, multiply by 3 and divide by 3, so it will be 12th root of 5 to the power 3, and it will be 12th root of 125. But we have to find the greatest number, so now all the numbers are having are surds of order 12. Okay, so just by comparing the numbers inside the root, we can find which one is greatest. So obviously 256 is the greatest. Okay, so we can tell 12th root of 256, that is, which number is this one? So cube root of 4. So we can tell cube root of 4 is greatest among given numbers. Okay, among given numbers or given surds. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed about comparison of surds. Okay, thank you.